In the vibrant community of Wellington, Florida, BrightView Landscape introduces Olympia, a transformed vision where nature and innovation converge, redefining beauty with pride. Our mission? To craft a vibrant, low-maintenance, and colorful Florida-friendly landscape. Inside the clubhouse, we expanded beds, infusing them with an array of colors. And then, the jewel of relaxation, the beautiful pool area. Here, we've removed the overgrown shrub material, making way for installing graceful palms and tropical accents that breathe life into key areas. Each plant is carefully selected and each placement deliberate, ensuring a harmonious blend of function and beauty. And let's not overlook the parking lot. Once marred by overgrown mature plants, we transformed it into a sanctuary of colors, replacing the old with new, low-maintenance wonders. Every bloom and every leaf is a testament to our commitment to creating a space that is not just beautiful, but enduring. BrightView Landscape, where expertise meets artistry, transforming landscapes, enriching lives.